right, so this is gonna be a review on the latest Hermes item that I got. And when I tell you it was a process to get it. Just to get it in the right size, because I had to kind of blind buy it, meaning I wasn't able to try it on in the store, even though I went to the store to purchase this. So if you're a fan of Hermes, or, you know, like watching unboxing videos, then you definitely want to stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulux, where I like to talk about luxury goods and items, a little bit of lifestyle, and then I try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. So before I get into today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and go up front, because we're getting so close to 1,000 subscribers that I'm asking you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Yes, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscription button, and the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop a new video. I drop a new video every week. Yes, you're getting new content every week from me, and become part of the Fab family. All right, so I went to Hermes and yes, bought some new shoes. I was able to get the hot loafers, which was, let me say, it was a process because they were sold out in my boutique. Now I worked with my SA, I was able to get the shoes in the size that I kind of thought might fit, because again, they didn't have it, so I couldn't try it on to see if it would work or not. Like, they didn't have anything close in my range to try the shoes on. I was able to get the shoes, but not be able to try them on. So it was a bit of a process of me getting the shoes delivered to my home, trying them on, not quite working, taking them back, getting another size, that size being way too big, and getting another, like, it was just a whole back and forth, a rigmarole. You know, I'm just so glad I have a very patient and great SA, because yeah, it might have been one of those, like, I'm tired of working with you, figure it out. But really, I didn't know what size I was, because my size really does vary on the type of shoe that I buy at Hermes. Like, if it's a sandal, if it's a boot, if it's a high heel, a sneaker, there's like a little bit of range for me in their shoes. But I think I finally got the right one. And like I said, it was delivered to me, even though I worked with my SA one-on-one to get these shoes, but they didn't have it, again, like in the store. I had to be specially ordered or ordered from another store and like shipped over to me. So I finally got them. We're gonna do an unboxing here. Let me get the shoes. All right, so here is the box. Now, I did just go ahead and like cut open the box. I won't have to be struggling opening it on camera, but I haven't taken it out the box or actually even tried it on. But I'm just really hopeful that these shoes work. I know they will, because I did kind of get this size before and I thought they were a little too tight, but then they're like, oh, it'll stretch a little bit. So this should be like that middle, that perfect size, you know? But yeah, so let's go ahead and open this box. Take out the packaging. Take her out of the box. And not break my nails doing it. They put the receipt there for me, packaged it up nicely. So here's the package and my receipt. They did put it on there. Let's see, what store did this come from? I actually don't even know where it came from. Oh, it came from the South Coast Plaza store. Nice. South Coast Plaza had my size, yes. And oh, I love the person's name who rung me up. I don't want to say their name because they might not, you know, consent to their name being said on my channel, but beautiful name, yes. So now we're going to open the box. I don't know, just the part of being able to open a box from Hermes, no matter if it's like shoes or clothing or like something small, like a little leather good. I don't know, I just like, it's an anticipation, even though you know what it is, like, cause you buy it in the store or you buy it online, and then when you get it home, or you know, get a chance to like take off the ribbon and open the box, you just get so excited and giddy. But all right, but we do know that I did order the hot loafers, and I got them in a size, I'll tell you guys. So I got these loafers in a size 39.5 in the Nior, so the black color. And I hadn't really seen a review about the hot loafer, so I really wanted to know how it looked on the feet. So I will show some pictures of them on my feet, of me trying them on, and like just kind of the first impression, like, are they comfortable? So I know I did try on the other ones and they were comfortable, but I just needed them to like fit my feet. The ones that were too small definitely were not comfortable, because again, they were too small. And then for me, I wanted to be able to wear socks with my shoes, whether they're like thin socks or thin stockings, I should say. So that was like an important factor. Now, I do need to know, because I keep seeing like on social media, people with like their black lights going over the box. Is that like just for handbags, that if you have the black light and you know, you put it over an Hermes, the lid of the box, that you get to see the hidden logo underneath? Because like you can't see with the naked eye, but with a black light you can definitely see it. That's what I've seen on, you know, social media. I'm not sure if that's just for bags or if that's every box by Hermes. No matter what you buy, the lid of the box will reveal a hidden logo with a black light. I just wanted to know. If you know the answer, just like leave a comment below. I don't have a black light. I'm not gonna go buy one just to see, because it's really not that serious, but I did want to know if anyone else knew. Let's get back to this unboxing again. I got the hot loafers, and this is a newer shoe. It came out, I know, in the fall of last year, so the fall of 2023, I believe. Don't quote me on it, but I know it is a newer shoe. And this has the Kelly buckle detail, but it's like super big. And I know it comes, like this shoe does come in different colors, but this is the only one that comes in black and leather. The other shoes, I want to say, it's like a velvet, or it's another material. It's not leather, but I know it comes in red and green. Maybe they've added more colors, but the last that I saw, at least online, because sometimes, you know, they have more colors, but it'll be like in their system on their, you know, iPad or phone, where they can like really see everything in their inventory. But from what I saw that was available to me as a consumer, I just saw the black, the green, and the red, like a burgundy type of color. But yes, I went with the blacks. I just really wanted some basic black loafers, yes, to add to my collection, because I actually don't have any loafers, or maybe I do, but I think, yeah, I think I kind of got rid of them because they were just weathered, and I was just like, please stop wearing these loafers, because you have worn them to death. So it was time to get some new loafers, and I decided to go with the Hermes in the black leather with the big Kelly buckle detail. So it does come like with this leather cloth when you buy it, kind of to keep it protected until you get it. And then it also has like plastic, you know, on the buckle to keep it from getting scratched. So let's see, it doesn't turn. Like how on the belt or how on the bag you can actually turn this, it does not turn. It's really just for decor. You can't open it or anything. It looks so beautiful. All right, so that's my right shoe. Let's get out the other one. Here is the left shoe. All right. Oh, I definitely got this before the price increase, even though I had to go back and forth to get different sizes. So let's now take off the leather off this piece too, and I'll put it closer to the camera so we can see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. To me, it's beautiful. I really love the big Kelly buckle detail. I know a lot of people actually, they don't like that. Like that's just way too much of a detail on a shoe. I like it. I think it's cute. I think it's unique and different. I like something that's still plain and not too much, but like the detail might be too much to someone. But I like it. I feel like I can definitely wear these with jeans or a skirt, a dress, however I want to like dress it up or dress it down. You know, I love a good pair of loafers that I can wear. And then I chose the black just because it's a more neutral color, and I feel like I could wear the black easily with a lot more things than having something in like a green or a red. And then I also felt that this would be easier to maintain because it's leather. Having shoes that are like in different material, I don't know if I would like that just because of maintenance sometimes, but it's easy just to like kind of wipe off or get like a leather cleaner. Yeah, so here are the shoes. I'm kind of rambling, but here are the shoes kind of up close. Zoomed in, that's the front. These do, I'm not gonna take it off right now, but these do actually come off. I'll put in just a small clip of me trying on the shoes so you can see what it looks like. All right, so, okay, let me see what kind of leather it is. Does it say? So on the receipt, it does say that they're calf skin, women's loafers, hot, calf skin, palladium. So yeah, calf skin leather for these shoes. I was told by my SA that it will stretch, and I saw an image online and I was already looking for loafers and I wanted something that I could wear. I was looking at some of their other loafers, and I also wanted to possibly get the loafers from Christian Dior because I really do love the items, shoes, bags, clothing from Dior. But you know what, when I saw this one, it's just something about it was just like, yes, this is like different. That buckle detail, and because it was so big, like I honestly, that's what it was. It was like how big this buckle was. It was just like kind of egregiously big, which is why I got it. I was really trying to decide between a variety of loafers, and I just wanted some basic black loafers, and I've always loved loafers, but I think it was definitely from my childhood liking loafers, so that is why I like loafers to this day. I'm definitely going to stay with these. So from first impression, I like them just as much as I like them online. They look great in person. After trying these on, I do know that the width is fine for me because I do have wide feet, but this actually worked very well on my feet. So I do like that. And then I can wear them with like stockings or with like a light pair of socks. So not like big thick socks, even though I might try that too. So sometimes I want to wear some thick socks sometimes, depending on how the outfit that I'm putting together. First impressions, I love it. It actually smells nice, smells like a nice leather. You know how Hermes, or just how any bag you get that's made of leather, any item that you get of leather, smells really nice. If you like the smell of leather, maybe you don't. It gives me a little bit of height because it does have just a bit of like a chunkiness to the sole, but not too like crazy chunky, you know? So I do like that part as well. And I feel like it's really like a basic shoe. Like the only thing that gives it its pizzazz, its Rizz, is this detail, this Kelly detail to me. That's, you know, how I feel. But other than that, I like this shoe. I'm so fortunate that I got to get it before the price increase. I definitely would have to update you guys to let you know what these shoes are after I wear them out, wear it to events. I will definitely do like an updated video. If you want to see that, let me know. Leave a comment below if you do want to see an updated video about these hot loafers, how it wears after I've worn them for a while. Did you feel comfortable in the shoes after being out in them for like 6-7 hours? That's usually how long I'm out. Or did you find that it stretched a little bit because it is pure leather and all that stuff? So I have to make sure that I get shoes that will be comfortable, because I like to be comfortable with my shoes. I can't wear shoes just for the looks. It has to also be comfortable, but that's just me. Let me know in the comments if you want an updated review. I can definitely do that. I'm more than happy to. But yeah, it's just my first impression of unboxing these beautiful hot loafers. I cannot wait to wear this. I actually already have a few outfits that I kind of wanted to pair it with. Ooh, and then another thing I wanted to do, because the detail is the silver Kelly buckle, I've been really wanting the black Kelly belt with the palladium detail, or palladium hardware. Hopefully I'll get that, so maybe I can pair it with these shoes when I wear them. Definitely gonna see if I can get a belt to match and wear when I wear these beautiful shoes. But yeah, if there's any questions that you have, again, about these shoes, let me know in the comments. I really hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay notified when I drop a video. Again, I drop a video every week, and I am going to be doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. Go ahead, become part of the Fab Fam. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.